What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am doing a tutorial on this eye makeup look right here. I was super inspired by a girl on Instagram from this eye makeup look. I'm going to put her Instagram here, and I'm also going to put it in the description down below. She's super talented. I'm shocked she doesn't have more followers, so definitely go and check her out. She's just really inspiring. But you guys asked me to do a Sigma Warm Neutrals 2 palette tutorial, and so your wish is being granted. So that's what I did today, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you want to see how I achieved this makeup look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so my eyes are already primed with concealer. My right eye is watering. It's fabulous. So we're gonna see what happens with this today. I don't know. This guy knew I was filming and he just decided, let the water flow. I'm going in with the shade Rogue right here, and I'm taking a Sigma E25 brush, and I'm gonna build this into my crease a little bit. She is pigmented. I haven't used this color yet, but I've been dying to try it, and doesn't disappoint. So I'm just gonna kind of like build up that pigment, I think. I have no idea what the plan is for today's video, but I know I wanted to use this color. I think I want to stick to a more rounded shape though, because I usually do a lot of dramatic like wingy looks, so I think I'm gonna go in and we're just gonna see what happens today. I think this will turn into a halo. I think that's the plan I'm going with. I have been doing so many cut creases lately that I just need to give you guys a break, and let's do something different and creative. I don't know. I know I do a lot of red based eye makeup, but honestly it's like what looks best on me. I can't do like crazy colorful things. They just don't look good on me. I'm going to take, okay, first we're gonna try this E41 brush from Sigma. I don't know what this brush is for. I've tried it many different things. I don't know. So we're gonna try to smoke out the edges with the shade Toasty, which is right here. Love that shade. Love the Toasty shade. I don't know, it's the perfect transitional color. I've been looking for something like this for my whole life. I've been needing a transitional color. So we'll see what happens with this. I don't know if this brush is gonna be the right brush for this, but I have faith. I don't know if that was the right brush for that. I feel like I think we'll go in with Old Reliable, which is my Vidalium 776 brush, just to make sure things turn out the way we want them to. Okay, now that that's all blended out, I'm gonna go in with the shade Russet right here. And I'm taking a Luxie 231 brush, and I'm gonna kind of just focus this on the outer corners, just a tad. I don't want to do it too dark. I think that's dark enough. So going back in with my Sigma E25 brush and the shade Rogue, I'm just gonna kind of blend out those edges a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna create the halo. So I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and an angle brush, and I'm taking a little bit of concealer on that. And I just kind of like pat my finger on the edges to help blend it out. I feel like that's so pretty, like just make it like that. All right, so now that that's taken care of, I'm gonna go in with the shade Bittersweet, and I'm taking a flat eyeshadow brush to do so. And I'm just gonna focus this on the edge of the concealer because in the center we're gonna do a different color. So I just wanna like pat that on as good as I can. And I think I'll take my finger like a little bit. And same thing on the other side. So I'll show you what that looks like a little closer. You can see the copper on each side. Okay, and now with like a little, what is it, A15 flat definer brush, I'm going in with the shade, oh gosh, what shade? Okay, I think I'm going to shade Charmer, which is this one right here. And this is what the brush looks like. So this I'm going to take on the center of the halo. And I think this is kind of when I'll take my finger and just sort of pat those colors together so they blend a little bit better. Maybe taking a little bit of the Bittersweet just to help them blend in nicely. I take that same shade, Charmer, and I'm going to take a Sigma E55 brush and just highlight my brow bone. And then just going back in with my Bdellium 776 brush. I'm not putting any more product on it, but I just want to kind of blend the transition shade into the highlight so it's not like super harsh or anything. Then with another flat definer Sigma E15 brush, I'm going to go back in with the shade Rogue and line my waterline. So now I'm going to take my Dalton to the point liner and I'm using the defined side because all I'm going to do is just line my lash line with the black. And then I'm going to take my Sigma, guys, I don't know how to say this word, Sinuosity, don't judge me, Sinuosity Lash Mascara, and I'm going to put that on my lashes. And then I'm going to apply off camera my Bold Face lashes in the shade Lash Goals. So once those are on and dry, I will return. Okay, so after putting on the Lash Goal lashes, I feel like they were way too dramatic for this look, so I ended up going with the Posy lashes from Kiss New York Professional, and I'm really happy with the outcome. And then I of course just applied some mascara on my lower lash line, but that's pretty much it for this makeup tutorial. I love this palette, you guys, so I feel like if you don't have it, it's just one of those palettes that you're gonna grow to love if you buy it as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not already, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys next time.